Guys, what's going on? Tech Room UK here. So for today's video we are going to have a look at some of my favorite features of the new Galaxy Z Fold 4. The first one being the display. I like the fact that I can enjoy content on a bigger screen and fold it when I don't need it. I also like that it can support 120 Hz refresh rate. So if you want to enable that, all you have to do is just go to settings, go to display settings and look for motion smoothness. Set that to adaptive, press apply, and now your phone should be using 120 Hz refresh rate. My second favorite feature will be the fact that I can continue the apps from the big screen to the cover screen. When you close your phone, it won't go to lock, it will just show the app that you were previously in. To enable that, all you have to do is just go again to display settings and scroll down until you see continue apps on cover screen. Press it, and now just select the apps that you want to be continued on the front screen, and it won't lock, it will just show the app that you were previously on. So that's really clever, I like it a lot. My third favorite feature of this phone is multitasking. This phone is amazing at multitasking. Just so I can give you an example, let's say you are on YouTube and you find the product that you like, and you want some more information about it. Just go down here to the taskbar, get the Internet Explorer icon, the web browser. So then you have to drag it wherever you want it. So let's say you want it in the left side, and now you can use both apps in the same time. You can scroll here and here in the same time, look for the product. Again, you can rearrange their order by pressing these three middle dots right here. If you find the product that you like on Google and you are happy with it, maybe you want to buy it, you go to the Amazon app, same thing, just hold it and drag it where you want it, and now you can look and buy that product if you like. So this phone is really easy to use. It's great for multitasking. If you press again these three dots on the middle, you can rearrange the order of the apps and pages that you have. And yeah, that's why multitasking is great on this phone. My fourth favorite feature will be the fact that I can take notes more easily now, and I can turn this phone into a mini laptop. Besides that, you can connect a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, and also it's got Samsung DeX, but I'm going to make a video on that later. So I use Samsung Notes a lot. Now it's really easy to take notes. You just go on to the Notes app, create a note. You can use the stylus if you have it and do handwriting. If not, you can turn it into a mini laptop. So what I mean by that, you just go on a new note, you put your phone like this, and you start typing, and the keyboard will be perfectly aligned on the edge, and it feels like a mini laptop. My last but not least feature, number 5, will be the fact that you can take selfies using the main 50 megapixel camera, and you can preview them in the same time live. What I mean by that is where you go to the camera app, make sure you're using the main 50 megapixel sensor on the front of the phone, and you go to this option right here, which will be preview on screen cover. You just turn it on and you flip your phone around, and now you see a preview on the cover screen of what the main 50 megapixel camera is seeing. So wherever you raise your hand, it will take a picture. How genius is that? With that being said, this will wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this kind of content and you like my videos, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And also, this phone has an offer right now, so if you buy this phone, you will get a free Galaxy 4 watch LTE with a SIM card, I think. And Disney Plus and YouTube Premium for a year and 4 months. All you have to do is use the link in the description below. Buy the phone.